I'm realizing that they have different kind of bikes here, like orange. But I've only seen them here, not like in the city. So not so sure what's going on. Um, I see one hello bike, and that's what I'm used to, but I'm not sure how far the zone covers. This covers a far, like the zone is wider for this one. Yeah, girl is out. I love that I don't know where I am, but I know that I'm relatively close to where I should be. So the Dragon Boat Festival is also known as Tuanwu Festival, and it's a traditional Chinese holiday that they have on the fifth day of the fifth month of the lunar calendar, and so it will fall in June. It commemorates the death of a poet called Chu Yuan. Nowadays, people they do dragon boat races. They would pair up in teams and they'd paddle along like rivers and in these beautifully decorated boats. And people also eat sticky rice dumplings, and they call them yongzi, and they are wrapped in bamboo leaves. And they also hang herbs on them, like little sachets of herbs, and that's to ward off evil spirits. So yeah, the festival is like a mix of sports but also like cultural heritage and some culinary tradition. So yeah, I think it's really interesting, and it's my first time being able to see one of these races, so I was very excited for that. So I was trying to ride to go to the other side because I realized the boats aren't this way, but apparently I can't ride this way, so I'm going to have to walk. So I temporarily locked the car. I don't even know how much it's charging me at this point, but this is what I came here to see, and so I really don't mind. I don't mind. It's an experience.
人都走了，现在。都到那里去了。哦，那边这样吗？云南人。你把小朋友带过来。后来还得翻过来，小朋友。好，开赛仪式到此结束。
Keela, Gabriel, Bethany and I will have like a group chat because we want to go traveling, and so I was there sitting on the bike and texting, and we're just trying to decide how we're going to get home. But because we want to travel, we need to plan out the routes from now, because we'll have to leave next month, and so you know it's best to book the trip from now. I definitely want to go to Thailand. That's I'm gonna have to reach a Thailand, and then I want to wait, let me scan and go through this place first.
Please get ready for your arrival.
So now I'm at Xinghua Park, which is one of my favorite parks in Hefei, and I'm so happy that the subway line runs right outside of it. Kind of feel like I might just ride a bike back to school, because I haven't ridden, like I haven't been on the roads since I come back. It's mostly just underground. There's usually a guy that will stay there, and he sells like food. I don't remember how much he usually sells it for, but I would just come here like once a week, and then I'll just buy a little bag food and feed them. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm hoping it's open, because on some days it's closed, and I usually come here during class time. I know that sounds bad, but I'm going to have to do a video about my school and how trash it is, so it never even makes sense to go to class. So I used to just take my class time and come here, or go to an X park, feed the pigeons, go to a cafe and read, and that would be my class time. So, and in the end it worked out. I had very good experiences. I met a lot of people, and I've never regretted it, literally, because now I know the knowledge, which is great. So it all worked out. But yeah, in the middle of the park. I mean, if you look on Apple Maps and you zoom into this park, you'll see Pigeon House. That's the name of where the pigeons are. I don't see them outside. I see them inside. Just kind of sad. But I guess I can show you. Not sure if they're going to allow people to feed them today or not, but we will see. But I can always come back, right? If they don't allow me. So they really like these, and this guy sells them for 1 kwai per bag. So I just got 3 bags, but next time I'm just going to get it myself. So yeah. So I like to come here not only for like feeding them, because feeding them is nice, but I like hearing the sound that they make. It's like a it's very calming. And sometimes what I do is like whenever I go places, like everywhere I've been, I do this, like I make sound recordings of like things that I like random sounds or train noises or birds or people talking. And then sometimes when I feel a bit like either overstimulated or I just need, I don't know, some stimulation, I just really listen to them. So yeah. But yeah, so this is where they sleep, in these little cubs. I'll show you the inside. And oh, this one does not look okay. Is it alive? I don't know if he's alive. It looks sick though, and them locking me in with fun. But yeah, that's what the cub looks like. Like, who is this girl? In a bed in her house? I don't like this. And then they drink water there. But I mean, they have many options because there's a pond or a lake down that side, so they can fly that way. But I realize that they don't really leave here, even though they cook. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, you shouldn't do this. Well, I'm assuming you shouldn't, but this is a little shortcut through the park. Wow, that's so pretty. Is it hot when you're fast? That's nice. Have you ever seen Chinese people climb a tree? Looks like some kind of fruit. I'll ask them. Hey, 那是什么？哎，你好，那是什么？
这是我们合肥当地的呀。
这个
甜吗？
同志啊，你看这草坪那样漂亮，你们跟人去采，
哦，
你们跟人这个要多少人工
是可是
啊？多少人工才长到这个样子
叔叔可以吃吗？
啊？可以吃的啊！你想想，你们跟人去，你哪一块来的？你们也不能想着把这个草坪啊。
There's somebody doing a photo shoot and she looks so good. She looks so good. Kind of want to see. I've always liked these flowers, well, these plants, because of how the light reflects them. It's very pretty, almost like, it looks like it's glowing. And during the springtime, oh my gosh. Like, I mean, I think I must have shown it at one point, but like, if you're going to be here, or if you're here, you should definitely come here during the spring. And you see the blossoms, and it's just so pretty. So when I realized that today was going to be a holiday, I said, yeah, I have to come here because I knew it would be either packed or it'd be empty, and luckily for me it's empty. So when it's really quiet, the fish like to jump out of the water. I'm going to see if I can show you.